Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick and short video, I'm just going to answer a question that was asked on a previous video. The question was, given what has happened to MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, the apps, the mobile apps at least, the mobile apps, since they were taken off Apple iStore, and everyone is panicking about the future of the platform. Uh, should we still bother creating forex robots for those platforms? Should we still bother learning to turn your strategies into forex robots for trading on those platforms? That's essentially the question. First of all, I'm not here to try and tell you what you should do and what you should not do, because we are all adults. But my opinion is whatever happened with Apple and the reasons that they have for taking off MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 of their store, at least the mobile versions. The reasons they did that, they haven't said, as far as I'm concerned, as of making this video. They haven't said why they did that. I'm basically unfazed about that. First of all, Apple, iPhone, whatever, you find that there is a minority of traders, most likely in the United States and the developed world, most likely who rely on Apple products, who probably are affected by that. If you go to the majority, which is probably most of the third world and stuff like that, we still, most of us still use mostly Android phones. So we'll probably get worried if Google follows suit. I don't know if they are going to. Probably they are going to follow suit. If Apple does it, probably there's also going to be pressure on Google to do that. Again, we don't know. It's just speculation. We don't know the reason why Apple decided to do what they did. Now, here's the other thing. Why I'm not bothered? Because we don't trade with robots on phones. So whether we have a mobile version of MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, really it doesn't change anything, because we don't trade with robots on mobile phones in any case. The MT4 MT5 mobile apps, they don't take robots. What you can do is you can only monitor trades that your robot is doing somewhere on a PC somewhere, or on a VPS sitting somewhere. Of course, I've encountered people who think that you can load forex robots on your mobile phone. No, you cannot. Usually what you'll be seeing is people just showing you their Windows remote access. Just Google Windows remote access, you get an idea. So in that case, until the day the broker that I use says that they are no longer using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, then that's probably when I'll decide not to show you how to turn your forex robots into your forex strategies, sorry, into forex robots for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. But until that day comes, I still believe there's the platforms. MetaTrader 4, of course, MetaTrader 4 is was going through a sort of phasing out process, because MetaTrader 4 was launched around about 2005, and then MetaQuotes followed it up with MetaTrader 5 around 2009 2010. And I believe there was an announcement that around 2024 or thereabouts, they are going to start phasing out MetaTrader 4, and we know that MetaTrader 5 is basically sort of passed MetaTrader 4 in popularity. So the future is with MetaTrader 5 in any case. But do I see MetaQuotes closing doors soon? I don't think so. I think they've come to dominate 95% of the market in terms of platforms, trading platforms, for a reason. I think in terms of trading platforms, MetaTrader is kind of in a class of its own. Unlike with ctrader and TradingView is good. I love TradingView. There's ctrader as well. There are various other trading platforms that you can use. Brokers also have their own in-house developed trading platforms. Most people don't even realize, and most people don't even use them, because people just prefer using MetaTrader. Is what most, I'm just going to go on a limb and say plus 80% of traders, they are placing their trades on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So I don't exactly see MetaQuartz closing its doors very soon. The robots, we are going to continue making the robots. We don't need iPhones or Android phones to use the robots. You can basically just use the phone to monitor the trades. But in any case, I've also been meaning to actually also start doing robots, showing you how to create robots for example, this platform. I don't know if you are familiar with synthetic indices. Maybe just Google or go on YouTube and just look for what are synthetic indices. Then you probably find people explaining synthetic indices. You will probably come across people talking about VIX 75 or boom and crash and things like that. Those are synthetic indices. So the broker that offers those synthetic indices also has a platform where you can actually create robots to actually trade those synthetic indices. And I've also been meaning to show you guys how you can do that. So whatever is happening with MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 is basically not the end of this channel. And ctrader as well, you can actually create robots on ctrader. So that's a lot of stuff that we still need to get into on this channel. So to answer that question quickly, am I bothered or am I worried about what happened with iStore when MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the mobile apps? Am I bothered about creating robots for continuing to create robots for MetaTrader 4? No, I'm not even phased. I'm going to continue making robots for the trading platform. But we are all adults. If you feel that you don't see a future for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and you probably should stop bothering about making robots for those platforms, then it's up to you. It's definitely up to you. But otherwise, guys, that's where I stand on that. I thought let me just answer that question that was asked regarding that. Do we still need to create robots for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5? If you have any questions, guys, I'll leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, subscribe, like the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.